Looks like the lovely weather we've been having has gone away, but nothing will stop us in the relentless pursuit of decrepit junk. Ooh, and some nice twisty roads for the old Fraser today. Got the Menace in the back. How you doing there, Menace Boo? You enjoying it? Right on. I got a text from Colin this morning, and he said his friend has an old Nash in the field, and of course I have an old Nash in my field, so I thought we should probably go have a look, see what it is. I don't know much about the car, but it would have to try pretty hard to be worse than the one I have. So if there's anything at all left of it that could be possibly used to make one good one out of 2 or 3, then we should at least go have a look.
Truck's on the opposite side from you, behind you.
Oh, okay. Well, great. Well, thanks very much for letting us go for a tour here. Okay, see you shortly, buddy. Thanks. Bye-bye. This is our official driving through fields car, I think. Every time we have to go find a car in a field, I think it's good to take the car that came out of a field. I think we're on the left here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there she is. There's a Nash. Okay, I'm gonna turn around. Poor old thing. There we go. Okay.
It looks very Fraser.
Yes, it looks like the kind of thing that I usually end up with, doesn't it? I wish I had some ominous music to put here. Oh, it's just shot right out, eh? What do you think, Bunny?
What do you think? Is it better than you? Is slightly better than yours, I guess? Like the body, or?
The thing with it is, it's got mine. The doors are wrecked.
Yeah.
If all we saved off of this is the doors, it's still worth it. Does it even have wheels on it?
Yeah.
Yikes, eh?
Oh. There's a wheel back there.
There is a wheel? Well, it's got handles, it's got wheels. Yeah, shame about all the windows. It comes with a tree. It's not really a restoration project. It's got the small flathead engine, or remains of one. Wow, this thing has been sitting here a long time. I know we say that a lot on this show, but this is definitely a car that's been sitting here a long time.
Fallen through or something?
Just tiny traces of the interior left. Nash Motors of Canada. Well, I can say that there are a lot of good parts on it. Holy cow. I didn't think it was possible for one to be rustier than mine. Could be 52 or 3 Nash Statesman. Yeah, obviously it takes some doing to make mine look good, but mine you can actually sit in and kind of still get a feel for what they were, but this one is pretty much a carcass. I do see a lot of good pieces for my car. These doors are way better than mine. Mine was hit very hard on this side, and actually hit very hard on that side as well. So there's nothing to really be gained by opening the trunk because there's nothing in it because it all fell out the bottom years ago. Windows are all gone. But lots of trim, lots of trees. There's the back bumper, which either was removed or fell off, so that's cool. This side, not too bad. And oh look, it says Canadian. So this was a Canadian statesman. That's cool. Wow, she's so rusty though. I think it might be breaking in half. You can see the doors touching the fender here. And there's a big gap at the bottom. And is there a wheel? There is a wheel with an assuredly classic tire on it. It's rusty and very far gone, but I think some parts for sure. I love the Farina badges. So these were styled by Farina of Italy. I think they're fantastic. Of all the cars I have in my row of junkers, it would be the Nash that I would most like to see put back together. But it's very, very far gone. So is this. So I don't know, is 2 times 0 still 0? Or is it 2 times 0.5 equals 1? There we go, look at that. I think that's the quarter panel molding, probably. Yeah, that would have been there. I was just talking to the owner, and he suggested that we could look around at some of his others. I think he's an avid collector of international trucks, so let's take a couple minutes, wander around, and maybe we'll come back with our buddy Dean and make a deal on this absolutely lovely Nash Canadian Statesman. Looks like, I don't know, you guys tell me. Looks like mid-60s international pickup. Almost certainly been on fire at some point. Yeah, all the gauges are melted and everything. So this one's burnt down. Pretty typical of what you might find back in the bush around here. I don't know if you can see more trucks over there. So I was invited to go have a look, so we should. This is it's like an international S160, it says. Manure spreader box on the back. Mid-50s, I guess. Apparently these were driven back here, but that was many years ago. I can see one right behind it. Let's go have a look. Here's another. This is an R160. I'm guessing possibly slightly older. That's about all I can tell you. These are quite heavy trucks. Look at the size of the wheels on that guy. 20-inch rims on that guy, and another one that was apparently driven back here and shut off a while ago. Still got all the gauges in and everything. I just love this kind of thing. Just a pair of old girls resting in the trees. Oh yeah, this is cool. This one's really old. This is the one the owner was talking about. It's 1939. Here we have an L160. Long since retired. Maybe we do a quick drive. Let's go back to Menace Boo. And we'll go talk to the owner and we'll see if we can maybe give it a home. I do love this kind of thing. Just driving around in the Fraser, going through fields, looking for junkers.
It's that time when everything went fine before.
He said, you know, there's a couple more in the trees here if you're looking at cars. And so I drove them in and shut them off in about the 70s sometime. And would you look at that? One for our buddy Dan at DD Speed Shop. It's a 56 Chevy Bel Air. Sitting here a long time. Still got the winter grips on it. Wow. Bel Air, baby blue and white two-tone. Well, there's still a reasonable amount of it there, hey? Isn't that something? 56. Quite a few good bits on there. I don't know as much about these as certain people, but I do know that that's a Bel Air. It's like that's a 6-cylinder car. And what do we got in there? Not too much. Steering wheel's there, seats are in it. It's like there's extra glass. Dash is all there. It's pretty far gone, but it's pretty complete. Well, I really appreciate letting me have a look around. Thanks so much, man. What a fun collection of stuff. I just love this kind of thing. And here's another one you don't see every day. This is a, I believe, mid-60s International crew cab. Apparently was used out at the Edmonton International Airport. I'm not sure what its function was there. Possibly fuel truck or just a work vehicle. Now storing some Briggs & Stratton engines, keeping them dry for the next guy. That's awesome. So 4-door trucks with short boxes, not a new phenomenon. That's great. Engine's still in it too. Yeah, cool. Hope you guys enjoyed a short walk around my friend's place here. What very kind of him to let us stop in and have a look. It's very much appreciated, buddy. And as I was saying, I sent a photo of the Nash to Dean, and of course Dean doesn't think we should leave it there, so I think we'll maybe come back on the weekend with our buddy Dean and see if we can get that Nash out of here. I think the family is happy to keep Mom's car right where it is, and that's totally fine with me too. Alright, well, thanks so much for watching. You guys have a terrific day, and we'll see you on the weekend for more of the regular contributor.
Same old shit.